Hey busy families, are weeknight dinners feeling like a chore? Between work, school, and everything in between, cooking can seem overwhelming. But today, I'm sharing 5 time-saving food prep hacks that will make your weekdays easier and stress-free. Stick around, and I'll help you simplify your kitchen routine while keeping everyone happy and well-fed. Hack 1. Start your week with a plan. Take 10 minutes on Sunday to decide on meals for the week. Keep it simple. Think one-pot dinners, sheet pan meals, or even leftovers. Write down the meals and hang the plan where everyone can see it. Not only does this save time, but it also avoids the "what's for dinner?" question every night. Hack 2. Save time by prepping ingredients for multiple meals at once. Chop all your veggies, portion out proteins, and cook staples like rice or pasta ahead of time. Store them in clear containers so they're ready to go. For example, cooked chicken breast can be used in salads, wraps, or pasta dishes throughout the week. Hack 3. Batch cook freezer-friendly meals like casseroles, soups, or pasta sauces. These are lifesavers for busy nights. Just defrost and heat. My favorite is a big batch of chili. It's versatile and always a hit. Pro tip. Label your containers with the date so you can keep track of freshness. Hack 4. Don't forget about snacks and breakfasts. Prepare grab-and-go options like hard-boiled eggs, fruit cups, or yogurt parfaits. For breakfasts, overnight oats or breakfast burritos are fantastic make-ahead options that keep everyone fueled and ready to go. Hack 5. Kitchen gadgets can be your best friend. Use tools like a slow cooker, instant pot, or food processor to save time and effort. A slow cooker can handle dinner while you're at work, and an instant pot makes soups or stews in a fraction of the time. That's it. 5 easy hacks to take the stress out of weekday cooking. Remember to plan ahead, prep in bulk, and make use of your freezer and gadgets. These small changes will save you time and energy, letting you focus on what matters most, your family. Which hack are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs these tips. See you in the next video.